So here we're going to be determining equal sets. Keep in mind that equal sets are sets that have the same number of elements in the exact same elements. So for letter D here, we have this set D is equal to Hard Rock, Coco, Joe, and you can see that this is in the roster method. And set J, that's equal to Joe, Hard Rock, and Coco. Now the elements do not have to be in the same order as long as they contain the same elements, and as you can see, set D contains the same elements as set J. So I'm just going to put right here, I'm going to say that they are equal to each other. I'm just going to put an equal sign there. For B, we have the roster method again. We have a set here that's got 7, 8, and 9. And then this set is in set builder notation. That's X, such that X is an element of N, and this is the natural numbers. That's the N that represents the natural numbers. That's the counting numbers. And X is greater than 6 and less than 10. So even though we have two different methods here, we have a roster method here, and we have set builder notation here, though we have two different methods, they're both describing the same set of elements. So these two sets are equal to each other. For C, we have eeny, meeny, miny, mo. And then we have another set, eeny, meeny, miny, Hector, mo. And obviously we can see that these two sets are not equal to, so I'm just going to put an equal with a line through it. That'll be not equal to. D, we have the set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And then you can see we have this ellipsis here. That means that this pattern continues, and it ends up with 27, 29. So this is a roster method, except the roster method utilizes an ellipsis here. But this looks like the odd numbers from 1 all the way up to 29. And then the set of odd integers between 0 and 30. So this is the roster method again. But then here we have a word description. So even though we have two different methods, they're both describing the same elements. So these two sets, again, are equal to each other. And finally, for E here, you don't have to have words or numbers or something. You can have pictures or graphics that describe a set. So that's what we have here. We have this set here. We have these seasonal icons here. It looks like we got winter, spring, summer, and then autumn here. And then here we have autumn, summer, spring, and summer. So obviously we can see that these two sets are not equal to each other.